Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Start with choosing front plane, create rough profile and then define it with proper dimensions. Once the profile is fully defined, now choose extrude command, then select profile and enter the dimension value. Now choose this face and click on sketch. Now use offset command and give proper dimension as per the drawing. Once the profile is created, now choose extrude command and select the profile and drag it to cut out from the main solid body. Now select this face and choose sketch, then start creating offset lines. Once the lines are as per dimensions, now use circle command and start adding the dimensions to it. Now for giving hole on the face, choose this face and click on sketch. Choose circle and give proper dimensions to it and make it fully defined. Now choose the circle's profile and extrude it and cut this out from the body. Last step is to give fillet, so choose fillet command and click on this line and enter the value and hit OK. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blogs for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.